Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use a builder app for Minecraft Pocket Edition. These handy tools let you instantly add amazing structures to your game world, saving you countless hours of manual building. Imagine placing a massive castle or an intricate redstone contraption in mere moments. We will cover everything from installation to advanced placement techniques, ensuring you can transform your Minecraft worlds with ease and efficiency. Let's dive right in and get building. To begin, you will need to download a builder app from your device's app store. There are several excellent options available, so choose one with good reviews. Once installed, open the app and grant it the necessary permissions, especially for accessing your device's storage. This allows the app to read and modify your Minecraft worlds. Next, you will connect the Builder app to your specific Minecraft Pocket Edition world by selecting it from a list within the application. This crucial step links the app to your game. Now for the fun part, placing structures. Within the Builder app, you will find an extensive library of pre-made buildings, ranging from small houses to enormous castles. Select the structure you want and then choose the Minecraft world where you wish to place it. The app will then provide controls to precisely position the structure, allowing you to adjust its height, rotation, and exact coordinates. Once you are satisfied with the placement, confirm your selection, and the building will instantly appear in your game world, ready for exploration. For advanced users, consider experimenting with various structure types to add incredible diversity to your worlds. Many builder apps also offer tools to modify existing structures or even create your own custom designs, giving you ultimate creative control. A crucial tip: always back up your Minecraft worlds before making any significant changes with the builder app, just in case. Finally, explore community-made structures often shared online. These can provide even more unique and inspiring building options for your Minecraft Pocket Edition adventures. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.